mindfulness really comes from meditating, I find, in my experience. And it helps to teach you to slow down and really think about circumstances, whatever's going on in your life. And it helps to change your perspective. So I wrote a blog post about this that I'm about to share with you. And since being diagnosed with ADHD, I've learned more. I called it perspective, changing your perspective, which it is. But in psychology, it's more around reframe it. So taking thoughts and reframing them to think about them differently. So here in Nashville, we have Radnor Lake, a bunch of wonderful parks in Radnor Lake. If you're visiting from out of town and you have time and you want to go for a little hike, Radnor Lake is awesome. I live just up the road from there. I'm just kidding. If you know, you know. It's like multi-million-dollar homes. So I felt like a dream. Right? So I used to take my kids there all the time, and when they were really little. And I was there one Saturday, 2020, feeling pretty blue, feeling pretty crappy. And so I decided to get out of the house, go for a walk, go for a hike. So I'm hiking along, and there's these parents with their kids frolicking in the leaves. Well, the kids, not the parents. That would have been weird. But the kids are, frolicking in the leaves, having a good time. And the parents are laughing and things. And I'm feeling miserable. Sad, really sad. And I was feeling it because my kids had grown up to teens. And they don't want to go to the woods. They don't even want to do anything with me anymore. They're teens. And I'm thinking about this, and I realized, no, hold on. I need to change my thoughts here. I need to reframe what I'm thinking and change the perspective. And so I reframed what I was thinking. And I realized I shouldn't be sad. I should be happy. And the reason why I should be happy is I'm seeing other parents do the same with their kids, right? I should be happy in this situation because I had those experiences with my kids. And they like hiking now. They like the outdoors. Now, if I was a parent whose kids grew up and they never did that, yeah, I could feel crummy then because I never did it. But I did it. I had those great experiences. And so this is about reframing. It's about changing your thoughts. And suddenly I started feeling joy. I started feeling really happy because these other parents are doing this and I had these experiences. So it was a great way to reframe, change perspective, and then hit a revelation to realize, wait a sec, I did this. This is awesome.